Well, here it is. It is March 4th. Headed out to Grayson Lake. Fished the second term of the year out there for me. Consider this to be my home body of water. I fish there more than anything else on the planet. I do fairly well out there sometimes, and there's sometimes, like last week, went out and caught 1 7-inch fish. So today we're going to go out and fish the second term of the year. We're going to be fishing with Lewis County Lunkers today. I got Kyle coming in. He's here. He's actually in the shower right now. We're going to get ready, hop in his boat. We're going to go to Grayson, and we're going to go try to, luck into some big fish to the 2-day tournament. And there's been some hammers caught out there the last few days, man. It could potentially take 20 pounds to win this thing in 2 days, which doesn't sound like a lot in most people's area, but in our area it's a lot. So there's been some big ones. I saw a picture. It was probably an 8-pounder caught there this past week. So we're going to try to find them. Absolute worst conditions. It can't get any worse unless it starts raining. So let's not wish that on. We had a crazy windstorm last night. It was really, really rainy. Grayson's been blown out for a few days anyway, so it's going to be tough. So hopefully we can go out there and we can throw it. This little hybrid grass jig I picked up here, good jig. Wrong collar for today. It's going to be nasty. I come in here to grab some skirts in case I need them for the old jig in my boat. Black and blue skirt. I think that's going to be where it's at today. Crankbait, jerkbait, spinnerbait, jig. Probably all I'm going to put in my hand. Speedway, Grayson Lake. Let's get it. Well, Cold Grove Speedway. You probably saw that in the last such shot, and I apologize. The camera's not focusing. It's really dark in here. But anyway, you probably saw the last clip, and you're like, "What is that?" Well, Cold Grove Speedway haven't had power in the last probably at least 12 hours because of the windstorm. We did make it to Speedway though. However, just a different location. So you know how it goes. Got to start turning off the Speedway. Now we're going to go to Grayson. We're going to absolutely lean on them. Probably not, but we're going to see what we can do. It's never a bad day when you get out on the water. I'm going to try to bring you guys along, show you what I'm doing. If it works, great. And if it doesn't, don't throw that out there. Let's do it.
Yeah. I didn't know it was just a little short.
Hold that thing closer.
Yeah, good. Yeah. I didn't know it was just a little short.
Well, day 2, Grayson Lake tournament. Check us out. Watched the boat yesterday.
Do you recognize this face? Raymond Green was abducted by an unknown woman in 1970.
It's ice.
He was just 5 days old.
It got uber cold last night. Look at that.
This is what Raymond might look like now.
We may have a problem. These deck lids literally may not open. I'm not kidding. So we're here at Speedway. You already know where we're gonna go. Try to catch them. It got down to 30, less than 30 degrees last night. It is going to be brutally cold for the first couple hours today here in Grayson. Super glad I have my Stormer gear today. We're gonna go out and try to catch them. We're sitting in second place right now for the tournament. So cold, muddy, tough. Let's do it. Spot. Starting the day out better than I did yesterday, bud. Yeah. Micro fish on a micro jig. Hey, bud. It's all right.
You know how fucking much I hate goddamn flipping and pitching.